Bento Brock going over Bento Basics. Now, bentos originated in the early Japanese history, around 1100, and they progressed over the years. They started out as a rice ball with a piece of fish, some seaweed, they threw in some vegetables, and they used to wear them in a little satchel from their belt. Over the years, they've evolved into a segmented type of tray or box and turned into what us Americans now use as our favorite lunch boxes. Now, this is my granddaughter's favorite lunch box because it has all the pretty princesses. But my wife, she just adores her puppy. More traditional style bento boxes, similar to this one, actually has its own set of chopsticks built in. It opens up, and inside there's room for plenty of lunch for the children or an adult, including sweets, rice balls, some meats, little sandwiches, and salads. Another one of our favorite styles includes this handy carrying pouch. It opens up, and it has a 3-segment bento box, large size, perfect for an adult, to include a full-size sandwich, salad, and an extra side. Bentos also evolved from different lunch boxes into bento trays. For example, my granddaughter loves to have her dinner on this mermaid tray. And for us adults, we usually eat them on this lacquered 5-panel bento trays, and it even has a compartment for condiments. I love buying my cookie cutters in sets, and they're really handy around the holidays. You get special themed ones like Halloween, Christmas, and this set here is just some little critters. One of my favorite set of cutters are the alphabet, so I can spell out words, and a set of numbers, so I can use those accordingly. Some of my favorite tools to use with bentos are cookie cutters. Plus, I also like to use tweezers, little sets of pokers. I have cutouts for seaweed to make little faces, little panda faces. And I love to keep mine in a plastic container, so I have them all handy. Some of my favorite items that I keep in my bin are some cookie cutters and some other assorted items. I love my pink flamingos. I have a set of swords. A chalice cutout. I have an assortment of little people that I can use. And then also I have a bunch of different cutters, little flower tips, butterflies, I have a little car, little VW bug, another generic car, items like that, hearts, candy cones, hands, perfect for making waving. I also have little assorted condiment cups with cute pictures on them. Other little containers for condiments. Even have some octopus and other sea creatures. Now these are the cutters for the seaweed. You put those into the sleeve and then you would press down on it and it would cut the little face out, and then you could put them on. And then here's where I also have my tweezers that I would use for delicate operations. So as you can see, as you grow, you'll collect more tools or toys, however you want to enjoy them. Now in the future, I'll be making bentos with a little story, educational, knowledgeable, and it's a lot of fun. And then I'll show how I make the bento match the story when I assemble it. So please stay along with us for this ride. Subscribe. Please like. It really helps. And leave a comment and let us know what is your favorite story for a bento or your favorite bento food. Thank you. This is Bento Brock. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you.